In this video, you'll learn how to export data from the Macrobond application to Excel, using a feature we call Copy as Excel Dataset. You'll also learn how to edit the copied dataset once you've pasted it into Excel. The Macrobond Excel add-in includes a collection of the most commonly used calculations, such as rate of change and scale for everyday work, but this isn't the full range of analyses that Macrobond offers. You can quite easily use more advanced analyses and download the output to Excel, for instance, applying seasonal adjustment to some series or rebasing them. To access the full range of analyses you can use with your work in Excel, start by opening the application and going to the Analytics tab here. We're going to look at an example of GDP components for India from the primary source, which are published without seasonal adjustment. This is the type of case where transforming the data before downloading it to Excel is good. First, add the series to your Macrobond document. The series are now in the series list, which, like the standard Macrobond Excel add-in, is your basket of raw series. All you have to do now is add the seasonal adjustment analysis and select which settings to use. To open the seasonally adjusted series in Excel, right-click on the corresponding branch in the tree and select Copy as Excel Dataset. Now you can go to Excel and paste the dataset. Every dataset you paste comes with a red box like this one, which we call the dataset object. It stores your downloaded dataset as well as the settings. Let's take a look. To edit the dataset, right-click on the red block, go to the Dataset Object menu and click Edit. On the right side, you'll find the standard Excel settings, data range, orientation, and so on. Here you can decide which calculation you want to use when downloading the data. The list shows you what you applied in your Macrobond document. You could, for example, output the raw data by clicking Series List, but we'll stick with the seasonally adjusted data. If needed, you can adjust the scale of each time series here. You can also add empty rows or columns to the dataset. These are called blank items. If you want to make any adjustments to the calculations, just click the Edit Document button. For example, you might decide to rebase the series. Once you're done with your changes, you can close the Macrobond document. When you go back to Excel, you'll see the output available in the list.